Eurolites beam reflectors on Ford Fiesta 12 plate. By the looks of it, my 12 plate would be projector style number 133. So these ones are projector style. So 133 is this one. So this needs to be ripped apart and then just fitted one there, and okay, so peel them off. So 133, one is going to go up there, looking straight at it. We're just going to put it up here, there, I guess that's it. Yeah, one there, and the other one, passenger side, it's gonna go right there. Okay, passenger side 133, looking straight at it, and then we're gonna put it down, I guess, I don't know, maybe like here. That should be it, I hope. Happy days, I guess. That looks like it. Anyway, cheers again. Ford Fiesta 2012. There we go, Eurolites on.